Hi everyone, good morning. In this video, I want to give you some life hacks how to get out of bed, open your eyes, and actually start your day while you're still in bed. Well, I'm still in bed, still have my PJs on. So here's what we do. I know it's difficult in the morning sometimes. Some days we have to get up, but it's just even hard to open our eyes. So what we can do is to start with a little stretch. So we stretch our legs like that. So our feet, we're trying to point our toes towards our eyes, and heels are pressing a different direction, so just like that. And we can lift our arms up while we're still in bed in a horizontal position, and this stretch feels really good to realign our spine, activate, stretch our fascias, our ligaments, muscles, and everything, just to activate, feel the blood flow. So the next one is to twist and turn our wrists, activate our joints, and do the same thing with our ankle joints. Really good one. A lot of the times the energy kind of gets stuck in our joints, and we need to move it with activation, with some movement, energy, blood flow, lymph flow. I always connect with those three things because it's not just physiology, it's also on the energy level. We are in need to help our body to get that extra boost in the morning. So activating our joints. Then my favorite one, kind of a dead bug pose. So you lay down just like that and start shaking your legs and your arms. Do it for about 30 seconds. That's a great one to activate our lymphatic system and honestly just wake up our full body. But the next one is we activate the point behind our ears. That's kind of a magic point. This is, I'd say, where we can reach our vagus nerve and stimulate it. So we find the point right behind our ear, right over here. Put your index finger and kind of find that little hole. There's no hole, but you can feel that you can almost like push the finger a little through, kind of behind the ear. Don't put too much pressure, just a little bit. Stay here, make a couple of breaths. Again, you're still in horizontal position, you're still laying down. So, and then start massaging it. Circular movement, massage, massage. Breathe, inhale and exhale with your nose while you're massaging. You can do the same thing counterclockwise. Long inhalations and exhalations. And then open your eyes and try to open your eyes wide open, not just slightly open, but try to open them as wide as possible. Then close them again, keep massaging, and then open them, close them. Do a couple of times, but really, really open. You'll feel that it will be easier while you're massaging it. It'll be just easier and more natural, I guess, to open your eyes. Afterwards, you can massage, you can do the scissor shape. We've already done it many times. Massage it behind, in the front of our ear, about 10 seconds. And then just massage our ear itself, up and down. And be gentle, it's morning time. And still keep your eyes closed if you want. Just activate. Feels so nice. Really good. And then one of the last ones, again, you're still laying horizontally, it's still possible. Massage your skull. Grab your hair, massage. You can create this vibration motion, or just pull your hair. Whatever feels good. Or just do this. Whatever feels right, whatever you can reach. But massage your skull, activate, bring some blood to your skull, to your face, activate, and start the day. And the very last one, let's add our breath. I always like to do variation of breath of fire, It's not exactly that because we're still laying down. It's a little opposite. It's a little different, but push the air out, close your eyes, and do 15 of those. You're inhaling and exhaling with your nose. Imagine that you're pushing the air out of your belly, your diaphragm, not from here, a little bit lower. You do 15, 20. You'll feel that by then you might notice that most of the air comes out of your right nostril. If not, do a little more of those. What that means is that your sympathetic nervous system is active. Sympathetic nervous system is responsible for fight and flight, so it's great when you're waking up to start the day, get some energy going, so your sympathetic nervous system kicks in. If the air comes out of the left nostril, it means that you're still in that parasympathetic nervous system mode. So over time, you start your day, and naturally, you won't even notice it, but you'll start breathing more through your right nostril. But when you're just waking up, you might feel that more air comes out of left. But breath of fire, this active breath, help us to activate our sympathetic nervous system and start the day. So those are some life hacks. I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Olya. I'm your breath and wellness coach. If you like this video, share it with friends and family. Give some comments, and if you have any questions, please type word energy and let's be friends. Let's chat. I love talking about health and wellness, and I love making new friends.